¿Qué, mi gente? What's up, everybody? Ya aquí vamos a regresar con la bebé. Vamos a meterle los flush mounts. Get those flush mounts put on and give her a little wash, maybe. Ooh, they almost just crashed. Why would you put that in front of them? La gente está loca, de verdad. We're gonna get those put on. Maybe give her a little wash because she's looking real dusty. Look at that. Can't tell too much on camera, but man, I don't like it. Dusty. We went out for a ride today. It was clean. Look at that. Look at them wheels. Jesus Christ. Eso sí está sucio, men. Mira para allá. Mira para allá. Dale una lavadita a la cadena, al sprocket, todo eso. Get the sprocket washed up, cleaned up. Like, you can see all that filth. Look at that filth in it. You can kind of see. Hopefully you can see. But yeah, went out for a ride today with the boys. Hit up 2222 down here in the A. It was clean, super fun. Couldn't get it on camera because yet waiting on the freaking chin mount. I got my microphone and everything. It came in, all them riding clips in there. Get it. Let's see how this baby turns out. You know it's gonna look good. So I got it. All right, so we got them out the package. This is what they look like. Just little flush mounts, cause man, these things are hideous. I tell you. Vamos a meter esta lucecita. Vamos a ver cómo queda. Yo pienso que bonito porque esta cosa se mira bien fea. No me gusta para nada. Ah, mira un poquito de vista de la carbon con fibra. She looking good, man. Me encantó. I loved it, man. I love how that came out. It's something real small, but man, I love how that thing look. How it goes should look real good. Alright, let's get this little install on the road. I had to go pick up my little chair. Mi asientico, ya tú sabes, trusty chair. This one ain't gonna break for sure. Alright, vamos a darle. Shouldn't be too bad, but we'll get this started and come back to y'all when we're done. Or I might show y'all right when I get this fairing off. I'll show y'all what it looks like inside. And when I connect the flush mount to it, get that set up. Let's get it. This bar right here, and there's 3 little clips in here that have to be pushed in. They're little push clips with a little popping in the center. Push those out and you should be able to get this fairing off and get to this. So easy access. So aquí tiene tres cositas que se le puchan para adentro. Bueno, hay 3 pins ahí que tiene que pucharlos y sale para afuera esto. Y ya podemos instalar la luz. Alright, let's get it. I'm gonna get it a close up for you so you can see the little pins. Hopefully if it's not too dark. And we'll get this taken off and put back on. Alright, so look. Right there. There's one clip. There's a second one, and then there's one right here. We'll get those out. I think that back one. There might be one back there. You can't really see it, but we'll get to it. We'll get those off. Take this off. Alright, so we got that all taken off. Ya le quitamos todo eso. Mira, ahí está donde iba el little clip. Sacamos el cable de aquí. So we're probably gonna have to cut those 2 right there. Figure out, I think I know which one is the positive and negative. Put connectors right there, and then we'll put the connectors on the hot bodies one, and we'll just connect it right here. Put some heat shrink around it. Should be good to go. I had to take off this bolt too. So this one, and then those little clips on the inside, and just pull it out. Easy access. Don't have to be all bent over. Pause and get all this done. Alright, so we got the plastics off at 10 mil. They're loosened up, taken off, and we should be good to go, baby. We'll get those. I'm gonna try to get that connector, the OEM connector, onto the hot bodies light, so I don't have to cut the actual bike. Hopefully, if we get that, if I can figure it out. You know, I ain't too good with electrical, but we're gonna try. Oh, yeah. Make sure you get everything. Don't want stuff falling. Disconnect this. Alright, ya la quitamos, we got it off. Let's put it on. Let's put on that hot bodies, get that thing going. This ugly ass thing. Alright, so moment of truth. We got it connected. We got the shrink on it. We got her bolted in. Got her connected. Hopefully I brought the key. Here it is. Whew. Took me a little bit because I was trying to figure it out. I don't really be doing all this, but we give it, you know, we give it a shot. All right, let's see if it works.
Fail.
And no blinker. Damn. Looks like we put the connector on backwards. Try again. We got our, we switched the wiring. Let's see if it works. All right, moment of truth. It's on down there. Oh yes, sir. All right, now we know. Now we know which way it goes. So the white and black wire that comes off of this connector goes, I thought it went to the red wire. No, it goes to the black wire. So if y'all are doing this, the white and black wire goes to the black wire, not the red one. So the all black one, you know. Están conectando eso por una Suzuki GSXR de la nueva, mira. El conector que viene de acá, del este, que es blanco y negro, pensé yo que era para rojo. No, es para el negro. So, el blanco y negro va al negro. Si van a hacer esto. Ya vamos a apretar todo y let's get it. We're gonna tighten back up. Alright, so we got this side all buttoned up. Everything's back put together. Those clips are back in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ya eso clip está listo, ya está todo para atrás. Miren la diferencia. Mira eso. Flush mount. Regular. Flush mount. Regular. Ya tú sabes. Look at that. Alright. I'm gonna do the other side. Ya lo pongo para atrás ya. La ver. So, ya acabamos. We finished up. I love it. It looks good. It's nice. I love it. I like it. Y'all gonna check it out. We got those ugly turn signals out of there. Them things are ugly. Like, you gotta see, I can check them out, and they're working. I gotta get that flasher relay. That's why they're blinking that quick, but it's good enough. Look at that. That's the beauty right there. But yeah, I finished it up. Put all the cables away. Tie that flush mount. Gives it that nice flush finish. You don't see those big orange things sticking out. It looks good. I'm happy with the install. Didn't take that long, but and then the carbon, can't forget that. That beautiful. Bueno, mi gente, ya que mira. Oh. You always gotta have something left over. If nothing's left over, then you didn't do it right. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't left over, you didn't do it right. Así quedó la bestia. Bien pimpineada, lista para la calle. Ya cuando me llegan los alerones, the little fins, put those on. Another video for y'all. And I got my microphone in. My microphone came in. I'm waiting on my chin mount. It's almost here. Hopefully this week. But we got the mic, got the adapter for the camera. Gonna have some riding vlogs pretty soon. And yes sir, let y'all enjoy this some more. So yeah, guys, that's probably gonna be it for this video. A little quick install. I was gonna wash the bike, but I have family coming over. They just told me, I completely forgot. I was filming this, I completely forgot. I have family coming over, so they should be here soon. So I gotta put the bike away, get it wrapped up, and I might do that watch video tomorrow, or I'll save it for when I get my mount in. So we'll be on the we'll get some road vlogs, cause you know, man, we gotta get something going. Pero sí, ya acabamos la cosa, ya quedó. Vamos a darle. Thank y'all for tuning in. Appreciate y'all. Later.